Alrighty, out at the park today to do some testing on the 7-inch quad to try and find the best props, for me at least, on the 7-inch quad. I'm flying just a 7-inch stretched Alien with the DYS 2306 1750 kV motors. I've got the Dell prop 7x56 props. Got the HQ 7x3.5 and HQ rigid durable, I can't remember what they're called, 7x4. So we'll see how they go, and you be the judge. Let's get cracking. Alrighty, so conclusion. The HQ 7x3, quite nice and soft. I think they felt quite good and had minimal oscillations at mid-throttle. Wasn't such a fan of the 7x4s. Maybe it was just me, maybe it was bad timing with a bit of wind. You tell me. And the Dell Prop Cyclones, I was pretty surprised. They're quite high pitch, but they seem to fly quite smooth. So I'm torn. I'm honestly torn between the 7x3 HQs and the Delprop Cyclone 7x56. And it's flown on 4S, so I'm waiting on some 5S batteries, and we'll see how we go on 5S. I think that could make another big difference. So, yeah, hope that helped. Hope you liked it. Got any questions, chuck them down in the comments. And happy flying.